It's become our tradition each year to set aside some time to remember those who've lost their lives while working on our roadway. This year we've asked Brian Glass of PennDOT to join us because just last month, PennDOT lost 3 contracted employees who were doing work on Interstate 83 just a few miles from this building. We want them to know that we're holding them in our hearts and remembering them at this time.
Thank you, Craig. I appreciate being with you, your team, and your employees today. We often say that roadway safety is a matter of life and death. That saying is not mere words. It is the hard truth that we live every day. And on those worst of all possible days, when we learn we have lost a colleague on our roadway, those words are shattering. The loss rings through all of us.
As Brian says, those losses are shattering. And it should be noted that it's not just the workers who are killed in these work zones. Often it's the drivers who are trying to go about their daily business who are injured and killed in work zone crashes. We focus every day on keeping our employees safe and our customers safe. This year, work zone speed cameras have become law permanently. We look forward to continuing to use that tool to improve work zone speeds and save lives. We are also developing a work zone safety educational program because we want everyone to understand how to drive and how to behave inside our work zones.
It cannot be said enough. My team and all of our maintenance and construction teams work inches from live traffic. There is no room for errors or distractions. I thank you all for your commitment to my team's safety. I thank you for your support and your focus on having our customers commit to safety. I thank you all for being the example of safety. I honor and remember all of our colleagues and friends.